Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is second question of its exercise 5.1. So the question says that why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? When we're measuring length of a line segment, divider is better to use than ruler because of positioning error due to thickness of ruler. So our answer हो जाएगा while using a ruler, chances of error occur due to thickness of ruler and angular viewing. Thank you.